Hey guys! Welcome back to another Bagong Gising unboxing with me, baby! Yan. You look like a pink ghost.
What are we unboxing today?
We've got an orange bag right here, and obviously if you read it, it's something from the house of HERMES! We're gonna unbox something that is a little bit more on the designer range for our Bagong Gising unboxing.
What do you mean? That's all that you unbox.
Uy, medyo matagal na, in fairness.
Guys, did Fergie gain weight?
Can you tell us if his tummy is bigger than usual?
Parang tumaba siya eh.
Okay, are you ready, babe?
Never naman ako ready sa mga ganyan.
I wonder what this is! Dun, 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 dun. Look happy, look happy. Babe, eto na. Open it for me.
Okay, ito yung parang paulit-ulit niyang sinasabi na, gusto ko yan. Parang biglang boom nandito.
Since we got a personal shopper to buy it from Hermes, they do open it like when you buy it to check the stock. So, ayan, nakatanggal na yung ribbon, but there you go. It looks like this. It has the little logo and the Hermes Paris. This was, oh, Fergie likes the ribbon. This was sourced from the States actually by Nancy. So you guys can check out Shop with Nancy. She was so easy to deal with. And ayan, Fergie, tuwang-tuwa sa ribbon natin. Inside, we have actually 2 dust bags. These are pretty popular type of sandals that I finally decided to get. And I was very torn as to what color should I get. Should I get a light color, which is easy to wear, or a dark color, which will last you forever and ever? 1, 2, 3.
I guess you went with the light color.
Yes. Okay. She got the orange sandals in white. What the heck? Why is Pretty? You carrying it with you? So these sandals came with little tissues na makapal. We're gonna go zoom in now. These are actually their parang new version of the white sandals. Yung mga luma, yung parang brown dito, tapos puti dito. Ito yung medyo bago, pure white na siya, but we still have these tan on the sides and on the bottom. So I like that it's not overly white. It has a little bit of a wood look to the sides, and feeling ko mas madali siyang gamitin in that case. Anong tawag dyan?
Brown stitching?
Yeah, so we have the brown stitching. You have our Hermes logo over there. You have the Boogaloo. I'm actually not sure what type of leather this is, but it is the softer one.
Sa ilalim?
Oh, gulo ni Perk.
Epal. Okay, so ilalim you have your size, you have the branding there, Hermes, and this one that I can't pronounce, and it says made in Italy.
You also have this parang rubbery sole, so you don't slip around everywhere with your sandals, I guess.
Ah, it's leather.
Yeah.
Maganda.
Diba?
Oh, pero parang hindi siya malambot dito.
No, this is the only cushioning you get, and it's really
okay.
not soft.
Kasi
medyo
kasi
wala.
yung mga ibang sandals mo, di ba? Parang bibili mo na yung medyo malambot.
Oo,
ito parang
ito
matigas siya, oh.
Moment of truth. Oh yes. So pretty. But oh yes. It really is very hard. So I am a size 8 US and I went with 38 for these, and I think saktong-sakto lang siya. I feel like it slips pa nga eh. I don't know why people do a half size up, because I don't know.
You do a half size up?
Yeah, parang that would be too much. I think this is just right. If I did a half size up, ano na, lulusot na. Initial thoughts? It is quite comfortable just standing up, but I'm sure my very, very picky feet will be mad at me in a couple of hours of wearing these because they are quite rock-like. There is no cushioning anywhere. See outfit.
Pajama.
Pajama cuteness. So there you go. They feel like walking on would. But I was very much prepared for such an experience. Oy, grabe dyan. Okay, so if I'm going to rate these, you know, I think I would give them like a 7.5 over 10.
Okay.
Because sobrang gusto ko siya.
Okay.
Pero kung mas komportable lang sana, or you know, if it was softer, this could go up to like a 10. I think it's super elegant and super pristine and clean looking and very classic. So you can wear it all the way till you're like a lola. I can wear this forever.
I'll give it like a 3.
A 3? Grabe naman.
It's fine.
A 3.
A 4. 1 kasi parang tigas niya. Pero okay lang, pwedeng pamalo sa'yo pag medyo makulit ka. Pero kasi parang matigas siya, tapos mahal siya. Pero maganda siya. Diba? Eh, parang di na tayo bibili ng mga ganong klaseng sapatos eh.
I know. I just made an exception.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
But that's why it's a 4 for me.
Yeah. I get it. Medyo mahal talaga siya. And there are actually so many rant videos where they saved up and they were expecting so much from this shoe and they were disappointed.
It's not a shoe, it's a sandal.
Okay, fine. It's the same thing. Anyway, they were disappointed because it wasn't comfortable. Like, what's the big deal? But I came prepared, so I knew what I was getting myself into. So just don't keep your hopes up like too high.
You mean just manage your expectations?
Yes. To be very, very honest, I bought this just for its look, and I do plan to wear it on, you know, brunch dates or just chilling by the villa on a vacation, things like that. Yeah, can you imagine, babe? Wearing a sundress, looking all fancy. Yun yung purpose of buying this shoe. And so far, no regrets. I do like it. I'm gonna name them Fergie after my cat. So what do you think?
I don't know anything about sandals, but I guess looks-wise, it is a very clean look. It's white also, so you know. The problem is, I think you have to like keep it pristine. Man.
Yes.
I mean, if you get like a scuff somewhere here or like, you know, discoloration somewhere there.
Oo, ano yan? Every use kailangan linisin.
Yeah,
Ganon.
yeah.
So guys, let me know if you use like leather cleaners on your Oran sandals, leather protectors as well, because I don't know if it's the same as bags or iba ba pag sapatos. I don't know. This is my first designer shoe, so babe, stop putting it on Fergie.
Ouch!
So much butt exposure in this video. So if you guys are fans of these sandals, please let me know what you think in the comment section down below.
Maybe Bea should do like a 3 months, 6 months review
Yeah.
of what it looks like. Will
Sige.
that look the same in 3 months? You never. Well, if you don't use it, duh, look the same, right? Since they're orange, you can just call them the orangutans. Isn't it that funny, Fergie? That's funny, right? If you like this video and other reviews, so be sure to check out Bea's channel, and don't forget to subscribe because a lot of people are watching but are not subscribing. So
Ay.
diba? You just click the subscribe button.
Ba't mo sila pinagalitan?
Ah? Oh.
Anyway, that's all the time we have for today. We'll see you again next time. Peace and love. Bye!
Bye. Say bye, Fergie.
Say bye, baby boy!
Eagle na.